KR-75 manual seal container assembly, and we're going to go ahead and assemble it. The tools you need for it is a punch and some sort of a hammer. Anyway, take the seal container, put the piston onto the seal container, take your pin, insert it, then you take the pin retainer, insert it over the hole, put it down, and when you go to punch, you want to kind of center the pin retainer over that hole, and you're going to punch it in the center of the pin retainer. And at first you give it just a gentle little strike, just to kind of get it set in there. And you don't want to go too hard. You don't want to punch through. Do the same thing on the other side. And now it's installed. And for your disassembly, ideally you'll have a vise and you'll use a screwdriver. Pin out. And now you can install your piston onto the new seal container using the new parts.